guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will share with you my potatoes au gratin recipe. For my potato au gratin recipe, you will need 2 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and sliced thinly, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of mozzarella shred, 1 cup of mild cheddar shred, 1 medium onion sliced thinly, and salt and pepper to taste. To start my recipe, I am going to preheat my oven to 350, and I'm going to turn a large skillet on to medium heat and let that come up to temperature. Now that our skillet is warmed a little bit, we will put all of our butter into the skillet and let it melt. Now that our butter is melted, we will add our garlic, and we are going to saute this for about 30 seconds. Now that our garlic has been sauteing for about 30 seconds, I'm going to add my flour. And I'm going to mix this well into the butter and garlic. And now that I have my flour mixed well, I'm going to add some salt and some pepper to taste. And then I'm going to mix that so everything gets incorporated. Now I am going to cook this roux for about a minute, just so I can get the raw flour taste out. Now that my roux has darkened, I will add my milk and my heavy cream, and I'm going to stir this until the sauce gets thick. Now that my sauce is thick, I'm going to add all of my cheeses in, and I'm going to stir this until the cheese melts. Now that all of our cheese is melted and the sauce is at the right consistency, we will put together our potatoes au gratin. In a large baking dish, you want to put half of your potatoes down on the bottom. Then you want to put your onions on top of the potatoes. If you do not like onions, or someone in your house does not like onions, you can omit the onions and it will not affect the dish. Once you spread your onions out, put the rest of your potatoes on top. On the top of the potatoes, you want to put a little bit of salt. And some pepper. Now we are going to spread our cheese sauce over our potatoes. Now we are going to just spread the sauce over all of the potatoes. Now that I have all of my sauce spread on my potatoes, I will take a piece of aluminum foil and the shiny side down. I will cover my baking dish. A little tip I have for when you are baking something that may bubble over, put your baking dish onto a large baking sheet, and if anything boils over, it will go on the baking sheet and not in your oven. I will put this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. Now that my potatoes have come out of the oven, I will sprinkle some more cheddar on top of the potatoes. And I will put it back in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. It has been 15 minutes and the cheese is melted and has created a nice golden crust on my potatoes. Now it is time to plate. I've paired my potatoes au gratin with some air-fried chicken, some sweet whole kernel corn, some homemade honey buttermilk biscuits, and some pork and beans. If you are tired of your everyday potato recipe, you should give this one a try. You will love it, I guarantee. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.